It has been a remarkable contest, decorated by goals, and two between them at half-time. So we're just settling back into this second half. Hector Bellerin. And it's Goretzka. Sane. Lewandowski. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Toni Kroos. Hector Bellerin. That's not going to make it. Pavard. Alaba plays it out to the wing. Goretzka. He's not played the ball, that's a foul. To a promising move. It's a decent ball. Dybala. Now it's Griezmann. And it's Messi. Surely! He's had a shot! Just off target.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
We sit high, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. And they're not going to make any further progress now. Toni Kroos. Promising move that, good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Jimenez is someone who came to this club as a good player and can now be categorised as great.
Yeah, and I remember his debut, and all that promise has now been turned into a chance!
Yes! And they are cruising away.
The keeper deserves some sympathy there. He may not have